Hello, I'm KCRA3 meteorologist Dirk Verdorn, and here's a look at some of the changes we're seeing develop. We had a little bit of rain, a little bit of snow Thursday night and into Friday morning. Things have started to clear up though this morning, and we are going to see a dry day today. This is going to be a good day to prep for the storm that's coming in on Saturday. You can see that developing off the coast right here. This is forming. We've got a little what's called cyclogenesis going on right now, and that's going to be deepening that area of low pressure, and that's going to be strengthening the storm as it makes its way into Northern California. So right now we're kind of in between, so we have that break period. So if you need to prop up a fence or get in the Christmas decorations or things like that, now's the time to do it. Here's a look at your planner for today. We may see some patchy fog, especially in the mountains. We could see some of that activity. But temperatures starting off in the 40s are going to be warming into the mid-50s as we head through the afternoon with mostly cloudy skies. And this is the way things will time out. Futurecast shows that cloud cover through the day. Here we are 3 p.m. Clouds across the board. Rain starting to move in though from the coast. That will start in the Sierra. It looks like first. It looks like Plumas County, Butte counties, even on into Yuba County, Sierra Nevada counties. Will start with the rain showers by as early as tonight. Looking at between 9 and 10. That's going to be developing. And then as we head into Saturday morning, we'll start noticing those showers more in the valley. And the heaviest rain still off the coast, but we'll begin things early. And it says as the sun comes up that we'll start to see things getting a little bit more intense with the rain and the snow as we go from the valley on into the Sierra. And about between 10 and 11 o'clock, well, I'd say between 10 and noon, we have this line of intense rain that's expected to come through. And with that will also come some of the strongest winds. So we're looking at, again, heavy rain, winds between 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting up over 40 to possibly even 50 miles per hour here in the valley, especially along the east slope of the, or I should say the east side of the valley and into the foothills is where we could see some of those stronger winds. But that's going to come through, and then we'll see more of a showery situation set up. We'll have periods of rain on and off again through the day on Saturday. Lots of snow steadily falling in the Sierra. Come Sunday, valley spots turn much more widely scattered with the rain, and then eventually that rain and the snow tapers off as we get into Sunday night. But you can see that chance for rain will linger even on into Monday morning. But because of the heavy rain and the strong gusty winds, the potential for some damage there, we are calling it an impact day for Saturday here in the valley. And because of the significant snowfall in the Sierra, that's going to make it treacherous to drive up in the Sierra, so I would definitely try to avoid doing that on Saturday and even Sunday, because there's just going to be so much snow and it's going to continue to fall through Sunday. After that, things start to clear out, a little bit of shower activity in the morning, and then we're looking at partly cloudy skies and drier conditions with temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That's a look at your weather. For all your weather needs, make sure you turn to KCRA.